What if I told you that a company once valued higher than Ford is now navigating a roller coaster journey to redefine luxury electric vehicles, with a stock price that's seen wild swings but hints at a comeback? Disclaimer: the content provided on Bearish to Bullish is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video or on this channel constitutes personalized financial, investment, or tax advice. All investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Before making any financial decisions, you should consult with a qualified financial advisor, accountant, or other professional to discuss your individual circumstances. We'll break down its core business lines, explore the latest developments fueling its 2025 momentum, and assess whether it's a risky bet or a hidden gem. Stick around, because Lucid's story is one of ambition, challenges, and potential breakthroughs. Let me take you back to 2021. I was scrolling through headlines about Lucid's SPAC debut, with its stock soaring past $50 and a market cap hitting $90 billion, backed by Saudi Arabia's public investment fund. I was skeptical. Could this newcomer really rival Tesla? Fast forward to October 2025, and Lucid's current price is $20.98, down from a year high of $36.39. Yet it's showing signs of life with record deliveries. And digging into its progress revealed a company fighting to scale while innovating. If you've wondered how Lucid makes its money or what's driving its 2025 surge, let's unpack it all, from its production milestones to the hurdles ahead. What is Lucid Group? Lucid Group Incorporated, ticker LCID, founded in 2007 and headquartered in Newark, California, is a luxury electric vehicle (EV) manufacturer aiming to set new standards in efficiency, performance, and sustainability. It went public in July 2021 via a SPAC merger with Churchill Capital, raising $4.5 billion with significant backing from Saudi Arabia's public investment fund, which holds a majority stake. With a market cap of $6.45 billion, Lucid focuses on high-end EVs, targeting affluent buyers in emerging markets like the Middle East. Lucid's mission is to accelerate the adoption of sustainable transportation, with vehicles boasting industry-leading range, up to 450 miles for the Gravity SUV, and advanced tech like its in-house battery systems. In 2025, it's navigating a pivotal year, producing 3,891 vehicles and delivering 4,078 in Q3, with year-to-date totals of 9,966 produced and 10,496 delivered. Employing around 6,500 people globally, Lucid operates its main factory in Casa Grande, Arizona, and is expanding into Saudi Arabia for assembly, signaling a global pivot. Core business lines: Lucid's business revolves around designing, manufacturing, and selling electric vehicles, with a growing focus on autonomous tech and international markets. Based on 2025 data, its revenue streams are tied to vehicle sales, though it's not yet profitable, reporting operational losses. Here's the breakdown. Vehicle manufacturing and sales. The core is its EV lineup, starting with the Lucid Air sedan, launched in 2021, and now the Gravity SUV, rolled out in 2025. The Air, dubbed the world's most efficient car, offers ranges up to 520 miles and starts under $70,000, while the Gravity, a three-row SUV, begins at $96,550 with a 450-mile range. Q3 2025 saw 4,078 deliveries, up 46% year-over-year, driven by Gravity demand and a rush for expiring U.S. EV tax credits. This segment dominates revenue, with an average selling price around $120,000 for the Gravity. Technology and innovation. Lucid invests heavily in its proprietary tech. Its 900-volt architecture and in-house batteries give it an edge in range and charging speed, 250 miles in 10 minutes. The recent delivery of its first robotaxi to Nuro for an Uber partnership marks its entry into autonomous vehicles, leveraging AI for self-driving capabilities. This line is R&D heavy, but positions Lucid for future revenue from mobility services. International expansion. With over 1,000 vehicles shipped to Saudi Arabia for final assembly in Q3, Lucid is scaling globally. Plans to adopt an agency sales model in new Middle East markets and expand exports to Europe and Asia aim to diversify revenue. Lucid builds its vehicles in the US and avoids China due to high tariffs, focusing instead on the US, Middle East, and European markets. Saudi ties, including a Riyadh season partnership, bolster its foothold. These segments interconnect. Vehicle sales fund tech development, while international growth expands the customer base. However, with no dividends and a PE ratio of NA, Lucid reinvests all cash into growth, not payouts. New products and innovations in 2025. 2025 has been a transformative year for Lucid, with launches and partnerships driving its narrative. Key developments include Gravity SUV rollout. Launched in 2025, the Gravity is Lucid's second model, targeting family buyers with its 7-seat layout and 828 horsepower dual motor system. Q3 deliveries surged due to this model, with hundreds sold despite early demo use skewing registration data. It's engineered for European roads, with orders opening there, and a rear-wheel drive touring variant is slated for 2026 at a lower $50,000 price point. Robotaxi milestone. In September 2025, Lucid delivered its first Uber-exclusive robotaxi to Nuro, integrating Nuro's self-driving tech. This partnership with Uber and Nuro aims for 20,000 Gravity units over 6 years for autonomous taxis, a potential game-changer if execution holds. Production ramp-up. Lucid added a second shift at its Arizona plant to hit its 18,000 to 20,000 vehicle target for 2025. Q3 production of 3,891 plus over 1,000 Saudi units reflects this push, though it's below the 5,000 some expected. These innovations aren't just hype. The Gravity's demand and robotaxi deals signal scalability, but challenges like supply chain issues and tax credit expiration post-September 30th, 2025, test momentum. Lucid's interim CEO, Mark Winterhoff, claims the tax credit loss won't hurt much due to pricing power, a bold stance to watch. The competition. Lucid doesn't have an easy road. In luxury EVs, it competes with Tesla, Model S, Model X, and Porsche Taycan, where its 520-mile air range and 900-volt tech shine, but pricing $70,000 to $250,000 overlaps with Tesla's $80,000 to $130,000 range. The Gravity rivals Rivian's R1S, which Edmunds praised for value and cabin space, and Tesla's Model Y in the SUV space, though Lucid's premium branding stands out. In robotaxis, Tesla's full self-driving and Waymo lead with deployed fleets, but Lucid's Nuro tie-in gives it a niche in urban delivery. Strengths include Saudi backing, $8 billion, and battery innovation. Weaknesses are scale, 10,496 deliveries versus Tesla's 500,000 and cash burn $1.5 billion loss in H1 2025. Its 46% Q3 growth outpaces Rivian's 30%, but profitability lags both. Challenges and trade-offs. Lucid faces steep hurdles. Supply chain bottlenecks, especially semiconductors and battery cells, could delay production. Q3's 3,891 units fell short of hopes due to these issues. The 1-for-10 reverse stock split in mid-2025, dropping shares from $216 to $21.69 per recent data, aimed to meet Nasdaq's $1 minimum but triggered a 9% drop post-Q3, shaking investor confidence. Cash burn remains a concern, with $2.3 billion in liquidity but $1.5 billion lost in H1, pressuring the $5.4 billion cash reserve. Users get cutting-edge tech but pay premium prices, $96,550 plus for Gravity. Investors face volatility, the $6.45 billion market cap against $259 million Q2 revenue. Regulatory risks, like U.S. safety probes and China avoidance due to tariffs, add complexity. Is it sustainable? Lucid's future hinges on execution. Its 46% Q3 delivery growth and 10,496 year-to-date units show promise. But the 18,000 to 20,000 target needs a Q4 doubling, tough with supply snags. Analysts are split. CFRA's strong sell targets $10, citing cash burn, while bullish cases see $55 if it scales like Tesla per Wedbush. Saudi support in the robotaxi deal, $2 billion potential, offer a lifeline, but profitability, not before 2027, is the linchpin. With a year low of $15.25 and high of $36.39 per recent data, it's a high-risk, high-reward play. Growth depends on hitting production and cutting costs. Who is this for? So here's the takeaway. Lucid Group is a bold bet on luxury EVs and autonomous tech, with 2025 showing glimmers of hope amid challenges. It's not a quick win. It needs patience, scale, and execution to thrive. Whether the Gravity SUV or robotaxi deal pays off, Lucid's journey is worth watching. What's your take on Lucid in 2025? Are you bullish on the Gravity's range or skeptical of the cash burn? Drop your thoughts below. Where do you see LCID headed? Are you holding or waiting? Like if this deep dive sparked ideas, subscribe for more EV and investing strategies, and check my other videos on fintech and wealth building. Always do your own research. Lucid's a wild ride, but make sure it fits your goals. Thanks for watching, and let's drive the future together.